my name's Kenny, and I'm one of the co-owners and co-founders of Sandbox Wisdoms, the YouTube channel that all we do is everything Abraham. So everything's all about that. And I'm sitting here with a dear friend of mine, Laura, who I want to actually talk about that law of attraction, because we're talking about law of attraction here, and we want to give you a perfect example, and that is actually how Laura and I met, which was a couple years ago now, and we've become really, really good friends. And anyway, I'm gonna turn it over to Laura, and she's gonna explain law of attraction and give you the example, the story around how we met, which is an example that shows up in your life every day when you actually pay attention.
Thanks, Ken. Yeah, I'm excited that I can be here in this moment sharing this. I met Ken a couple of years ago at a law of attraction workshop. I was online, ready to get scanned in, and I saw Ken, I heard him, there was something about him. I needed to hear more, I needed to kind of be in his presence, something kind of drew me there. We started talking, and then, of course, this is how these things work, I saw him again at a different venue, right, Ken? It was, I saw him at a law of attraction workshop, but at the same hotel with my husband at the time. I saw him from across the room, and I said, I gotta go talk to this guy. This is just showing up. So this literally formed a friendship that has, been phone calls and synchronicities. And so that's kind of the story of the two of us. I've been in this Abraham conversation for 19 years. And I can't even, it's hard to articulate really sometimes how this all works, but it is working. And I've known since I met Ken that there was a reason we met. I resonated with him. I just have to laugh because I could be thinking something, I get a text message from him, or I'll call him, and just things are kind of flowing like in real time, which is amazing. Ken has that effect on people. He has it on me. You could just tell when he's around people. But so I have been listening and absorbing Esther's message for, like I said, 19 years. Listened to the tapes, watched the videos, and kind of just hearing the whole message of like, you can be, you can do, you can have whatever you want. And I mean, my friends think I'm crazy. People are like, where are you going? And I'll say, I'm going to a workshop with Ken, except for you.
I know we're normal.
Right. But it's, Ken's message has always been to me like, I've always heard the message from Esther, from Abraham. And when I do talk to my friend here, he's just saying the same thing. It's like a reminder, but I know it at like a core level. So much more now than I even did back then. Just everything's working out. Getting into that frequency, the high flying disc. I mean, it's crazy how it's brought us to this moment. I can think about being in the hot seat at an Abraham workshop, I don't know, maybe 15 years ago. And I don't know, we'll see. I have a feeling I'm going to be talking to Abraham today. But it's such a gift. And it's hard to describe, but it's been a huge gift. Yeah.
I'm just going to give you a couple more details about is when we met in Tarrytown 2 years ago, we didn't actually meet in person, as Laura was saying, she's sitting there in lineup and I'm having a conversation with other people.
Yep.
And this is just another example of law of attraction playing out.
Yeah.
And they were doing a workshop the following week in Boston. I'm sitting there having breakfast and Laura walks in with her husband attending another event and then goes, "That's the guy from Tarrytown."
Yep, that's him.
And of course her husband being wonderful and supportive as he is, and going, "You're gonna, like, I know you're, I'm gonna go talk to him."
Yeah, I had no choice. There was no choice. That's the other thing. Like, I feel like, you know, there was no room for, is this gonna look weird? People are gonna think this is odd. I'm walking up to a complete stranger. Not really, but, that's kind of how I think this all works. I feel like things are working out. There was no doubt that I needed to make a beeline to Ken. And because, again, I mean, I know I'm jumping around a little bit, but the vortex is real. Like, it's a real thing. I think in the past I may have been a little not quite so sure, but now I feel like I am very sure and very much understanding alignment. So, sorry, didn't mean to.
So law of attraction is actually playing out in your life every day, just like it's playing out in ours. And the people you meet, the conversations you have, the synchronicities that unfold on a daily basis, it's a matter of really how much you're tuned in, tapped in, and turned on. And we get messages all day, every day. The question is, where are you at in relation to what's coming to you, and are you able to interpret it? And it's an interesting, fun process of learning and feeling this thing as opposed to thinking this thing. And so the next conversation after this one, I'm going to go into with my friend Laura. We're going to go into more detail beyond the meeting. I just wanted to show you that law of attraction is really playing out in your life every day, and to enjoy it, have fun with it. And we're going to get into a little bit more details about what this really is all about, and where we started, and how we got more involved with it, and where it's taking us. And we'll look forward to seeing you on the next video.